Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can set up or how we can configure the Windows Mail or how we can add email accounts to our Windows 11 devices, whether it's a laptop or a PC. Okay, so let's get into it, and please do make sure that you finish watching this video till the end. So the first thing we need to do is to go to the Mail app, and we can do that by simply making a search here in the Windows search tab. Type Mail, and under Best Match, please do open Mail. And once you do that, just wait for it to open. The Outlook or the Microsoft Outlook will go pop up on your screen, this window, and as you can see here, I have these options because I already signed in my Google account. And in your Outlook, in your device, if you want to add account, you can simply do that just by clicking this button here that says Add Account. And once you click that, you will be redirected, or you will see this window here where you can add all your email accounts. Outlook supports Microsoft 365, whether it's a Gmail account, a Yahoo account, an iCloud, IMAP, and Pop account. And just enter your email or select an email address here. And if you don't have any account, you can also create an Outlook account, an Outlook email account, just by clicking this button here, and just simply type or enter your email address, and it will ask you for a password. And then just by doing that, you can now click on continue, and you can now set up or add that email account. Okay, and you can also do that by clicking this settings button here. So in here, in this accounts section, you can also see the add account option, and you can also do that, or you can also add account here just by clicking this one. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.